tea.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear friends. Happy birthday to you. Pembroke hapus et. Pembroke hapus et. Pembroke hapus i'r ffrindiau. Pembroke hapus et.
So I've come to our west site and it's not even raining, dim bwrw glaw heddiw, to tell you about our Syrennau yr wythnos, the stars of the week. So in Nursery AM, Oscar B for completing all his home learning, always with a huge smile on his face. Nursery PM, Taylor W always tries his best and he's been the best giant I've ever seen, a giant in nursery. In reception Mrs Bynan's class, Albert G has done amazing number work at home, and in reception Miss Jamal's class, Harry T has done excellent counting forwards and backwards. Year 1 Mrs Barnes' class, Jackson M for making so much progress with his blending to read and sounding out to spell. He's been working so hard at home, a big well done to you. Year 1 Mrs Griffiths, Mrs O'Connor's class, Ashton P working hard daily on his sounds and completing all his work on portfolios very well through responding to questions to move him on in his learning. Year 2 Miss Colasanto's class, Jessie T for finding and recording fabulous facts about the Arctic fox and presenting it on a fact sheet. Year 2 Mrs Jones' class, Emily C, or Emily CN I should say, for persevering to learn how to tell the time. Wow, that's a great skill to learn. Year 3 Miss Fitzgerald's, Amber for being a superstar. Not only has she completed her work, but is looking for ways to help her family too. So kind, thoughtful and helpful. Huge big well done to you. Year 3 Mrs Murray's class, Amelia M for helping Mum out when she wasn't feeling well and for fantastic work on space. Year 4 Mrs Thomas Davis' class, Lexi R for embracing all her home learning tasks with positivity and enthusiasm. Year 4 Mrs Jones' class, Lola Rose for overcoming the challenge of home learning by finding her own different ways to learn. Interesting, I'll be asking Miss about that. Year 5 Mrs Hayes' class, Lily May. She's worked hard this week to try and catch up with her work while Mum is working at hospital. She's also helped around the house and completed some chores as well, of Dad being poorly. Oh goodness, a lot going on in the house there. Well done, Lily May. Year 5, Mrs Evans, Millie J. Dad broke his arm and Millie has been especially helpful to him and helping Mum around the house. Phew, there's so many stars. Year 6, Miss Higgs' class, Jacob B for managing to carry on with learning at home, even with lots of building work going on outside his house and inside his house. And Year 6, Miss Jones's class, Rio Fox, for creating a wonderful Genius Hour project, a boat made out of lollipop sticks. He even tried to see if it floated, and it did. Down to Rio! Oh, I've come inside because it's a little bit warmer in here. Right, let's give everybody 3 cheers. Are you ready? Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Well, I'm going to end our assembly today with a short prayer written by one of our Year 3 classes. Dear God, please look after our friends and family. Please can you help us always to be kind, full of love, and cherishing our friends and family with a big heart. We'd like to thank you for all you do and for all the love that you give us. We love our friends and family. Thank you for the food that you put on our tables and all the love that you give us. Thank you for all your kindness. Amen.